Meet Simba and Scar, the lion and the tiger with a twist. Deep in the heart of the jungle, where the golden sun spills through the thick canopy, a lion named Simba ruled the western plains. Meanwhile, a tiger named Scar roamed the eastern forests. Their paths never crossed, for an ancient river kept them apart. But one fateful summer, the river dried to a trickle, forcing Simba and Scar to the same watering hole. They locked eyes, muscles tensed. "This is my land," Simba growled. "The water belongs to no one," Scar replied, stepping forward boldly. Tension crackled in the air, but suddenly a desperate cry rang out. A young monkey had slipped from a branch, clinging to a jagged rock above the rapids. Without hesitation, both beasts leaped into action. Simba grabbed a vine with his powerful jaws, tossing it to Scar. Agilely, Scar climbed the rock and pulled the trembling monkey to safety. The little creature clung to them both, its fear melting into gratitude. Simba and Scar exchanged a look, not of rivalry, but of respect. From that day on, they met at the watering hole, not as enemies, but as guardians of the jungle, proving that true strength is greatest when shared. Who knew a lion and a tiger could teach us so much about unity?